So sorry about the audio in my last video. I'm hoping that this time it'll be better. But if you watched, for the 6.5 people out there that follow me, if you have been watching me, you will know that I tried cleaning the carburetor on this, trying to get it to stop dumping all the gas into the cylinder, but that did not work, so I ended up just getting a new one, and I figured that'd make for a good video. And you don't need a lot of tools, just a 3/8 wrench, a 3/8 socket, and some pliers. So these here are 3/8, and a small extension will help a little bit. I will have to see if I can swap the throttle and choke shaft to the new one, because in the picture it showed it was the exact same as the old one, but I'll show you what it looks like now. It's the wrong, everything's wrong, but it showed it was the exact same as the old one, which I don't understand why, but let's get these out. And you do have to take this cover off because it does make it easier to get out those linkages for the carburetor and for the governor and choke shaft. Put those to the side, and there is a bolt right here, and there's supposed to be another one on the other side, but that broke off on the cylinder head, and then there's two in the back. One right here, which isn't in there. I forgot to put it back in there last time I worked on it. And one on the same side as the other side. One on the same spot on the other side is what I meant to say. And those are also all 3/8 also. Some of these covers have slotted holes in that cover, so you don't have to take the bolts completely out. I don't remember if this one is slotted or not. Got those bolts out, and this one is not a slotted cover, so just rip that off of there. It's kind of hard because there's an O-ring around the intake of the carburetor. These do seem to be kind of durable little mowers. The Craftsman lt2000. Just gonna take this fuel line off here real quick. I found that these little pinchers here only work on this yellow line. I don't know if I've ever mentioned that before. Seems like they don't crimp hard enough for the black line. And then I'll show you where these linkages go and what hole they go in when I'm put together. I'll show you where this breather goes too. Let's see, it's holding me up there. And then there you got this solenoid wire on this one too. And right there's the O-ring I was talking about. And I'll get the carburetor and the other one and show you what I'm talking about the differences. So you can see that one looks like that, and that one looks like that, so they're completely different. And I believe that these here are 1/2 inch nuts. Let me just check real quick here. That's too big. Try 7/16. So there's 7/16 nuts on those studs. Where did I put that ratchet? Hang on, I gotta get this ratchet over here. So those nuts are 7/16, and you gotta take those off real quick. I gotta get this switched around here. Yeah, I know my videos are kind of boring, but just kind of doing this for the fun of it, really. And gotta take these nuts here off. Trying a little bit kind of snug.